This is the number 3 Seagull word study list. Number 1, reappear. The magician made the bunny disappear and then reappear out of his hat. Number 1 is reappear. Number 2, interior. The interior of the car was a tan, soft leather. Number 2 is interior. Number 3, excess. Susan had excess food at the end of the party. Number 3 is excess. Number 4, installing. The plumber was installing a new sink. Number 4 is installing. Number 5, replay. If I am going too fast for you, please replay this audio. Number 5 is replay. Number 6, inhale. The fresh air made him inhale often and deeply. Number 6 is inhale. Number 7, inmate. Inmate is a synonym for prisoner. Number 7 is inmate. Number 8, deprive. I try not to deprive myself too much of sweets when I'm on a diet. Number 8 is deprive. Number 9, exhale. The student could finally exhale after her final exam. Number 9 is exhale. Number 10, exterior. The exterior of the house was made of brick and stone. Number 10 is exterior. Number 11, reconsider. I didn't want to go to the movies, but then I thought I'd reconsider. Number 11 is reconsider. Number 12, decrease. There was a decrease of attendance at the concert this year. Number 12 is decrease.